Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI. I want to show you guys these amazing glasses that I have here. So these are actually a Dublin collection. They're a set of 4 acrylic highball glasses. So these are shatterproof. They are like a nice plasticky glass, which I like because I do have a younger daughter, so I prefer her not to drink out of glass. I want her to have something that I'm not going to worry about if it does fall. These here, they're PBA free, they're dishwasher safe, and they have the capacity of 12 ounces. So this is really nice. You do get 4 of them. They do come in a lot of different colors, but this color here is blush. And the reason I picked blush is because I think it's really girly. My daughter loves pink, so this was the closest I could find to pink. And they look so elegant just sitting in your cupboard. It looks like you have these gorgeous designer glasses, but they are literally acrylic, and I think that's pretty cool. And I just love the design on them. It's so beautiful and classy, but that's just my point of view.